Wrx Wagon. If you don't know, I've had this car a long time, I think like 14 years. Currently sitting at 536,000 kilometers. And as you can see, I think the last time I clay bar and polished it was probably 6 years ago, so it really needs a little detail to freshen it up. So I'm gonna get into that today. And I'm actually gonna replace the fenders, bumper, and the headlight. This is a really cool wagon front bumper with a sweet lip and some hellas in it. But what I'm gonna do is put the sedan front end on it, kind of just for fun. You know, future goals at some point are do the sedan rear doors and the quarter panels, which I have already sitting around, but I'm just not ready to chop up my car quite yet. Here's the sedan front end. I've got a cool dude lip for this. Had to do some mega surgery on the bumper. I've got some new grill filler plates because mine were all chipped off after 500,000 kilometers. I am going to throw fog lights into that bumper as well. But first we will begin. So I've gone through the car, given it a vacuum. That was much needed as well. I don't have air conditioning in this car, so it gets pretty dirty. So I always have the windows down. But yeah, let's throw on this front end. Actually, I also have new headlights to put in as well. They're the black ones. Also, these ones are just like mega aged to the point of, you know, not being willing to be restored because the inside of the lenses are so bad. So I'm gonna get this first. Actually, I'm gonna go over and clay bar the car, the parts that I'm not removing anyway, clean up the wheels and polish it, and then I'll put the new stuff on.